Hello guys, I'm Victor from Master Pool, and today we're here on Williams Island on the project that we did at 3 fountains and 1 spa, the renovation. On this work here was beautiful. We did the plumbing, the finish, the tile. So as you guys can see it, this work is being so blessed because it's 7 water jets on the front, 7 water jets on the top, and 7 water jets on the back. And you know what that means? 7 is my lucky number. So guess what? We did the best we always do. Now come with me, I want to show you guys the equipment room. So right now we're in the entry fountain, the equipment room of the entry fountain, where we installed all this equipment over here and did a plumbing connection. As you guys can see it, this is kind of hard. Look how thick these pipes are. And I know that normally we think they're very light, but once you get to 8-inch pipes, they're way heavier than you can imagine. But stay cool, call Master Pool, we know what we're doing.